Hi, I'm Jimmy Stegall, and I've been in the dental business for 45 years as a dental technician, manager of a large lab, uh, worked for a big manufacturer, and now that I own my own firm, I get to work with some really cool folks. I really enjoy this new relationship that I'm having with dental companies, helping them, understand the market a little bit better, helping them analyze products. It's been a cool thing. One of my most favorite things recently has been working with DESS. DESS is a really cool company based in Spain that manufactures implant parts. And I'm really impressed by what they've done, the quality, um, the dedication to making sure that all the boxes are checked and everything is in order. So uh, fully FDA validated parts and pieces and systems, and a complete system. And they're super affordable. So come along with me as with my journey and with DESS as we look at their systems and their parts and their components and how they may help our workflows. Again, Jimmy Stegall, here to serve dental. Come hang out with me.